Chemical properties of nonmetals. The important chemical properties of nonmetals are: 1. Reaction of nonmetals with oxygen. Nonmetals react with oxygen to form acidic oxides or neutral oxides. Carbon forms an acidic oxide CO2, sulfur forms an acidic oxide SO2, and hydrogen forms a neutral oxide H2O. The nonmetal oxides are covalent in nature, which are formed by sharing of electrons. The acidic oxides of nonmetals dissolve in water to form acids. The acidic oxides of nonmetals turn blue litmus solution to red. For example, carbon is a nonmetal. When carbon burns in air, it reacts with oxygen of air to form an acidic oxide called carbon dioxide. The acidic oxide carbon dioxide dissolve in water to form an acid called carbonic acid. A solution of carbon dioxide gas in water turns blue litmus to red, showing that it is acidic in nature. 2. Reaction of nonmetals with water. Nonmetals do not react with water to evolve hydrogen gas. This is because nonmetal cannot give electrons to reduce the hydrogen ions of water into hydrogen gas. 3. Reaction of nonmetals with dilute acids. Nonmetals do not react with dilute acid. In other words, nonmetals do not displace hydrogen from acid. For example, nonmetals like carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus do not react with dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid to produce hydrogen gas. Let us see why nonmetals are not able to displace hydrogen from acids. In order to displace hydrogen ions of acid and convert them into hydrogen gas, electrons should be supplied to hydrogen ions of the acid. Now, a nonmetal, being itself an acceptor of electron, cannot give electron to hydrogen ion of acid to reduce them to hydrogen gas. And hence, the nonmetals are not able to displace hydrogen ions from acid to form hydrogen gas. Thus, if nonmetals like carbon, sulfur, or phosphorus are put into test tube containing dilute sulfuric acid, then no hydrogen gas is evolved. 4th, reaction of nonmetal with salt solution. A more reactive nonmetal displaces a less reactive nonmetal from its salt solution. For example, when chlorine is passed through a solution of sodium bromide, then sodium chloride and bromine are formed. In this displacement reaction, a more reactive nonmetal chlorine is displacing a less reactive nonmetal bromine from its salt solution. Sodium bromide solution. 5th, reaction of nonmetals of nonmetal with chlorine. Nonmetals react with chlorine to form covalent chloride, which are non-electrolytes, that is, do not conduct electricity. Nonmetal chlorides are usually liquid or gases. Here are some examples. Hydrogen is a nonmetal, so hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form a covalent chloride called hydrogen chloride. 6th, reaction of nonmetals with hydrogen. Nonmetals react with hydrogen to form covalent hydrides. The nonmetal hydrides are formed by sharing of electrons. That is, nonmetal hydrides are formed by covalent bonding. Here are some examples. Sulfur is a nonmetal which combines with hydrogen to form a covalent hydride called hydrogen sulfide H2S. The hydrogen sulfide gas has a characteristic smell resembling the smell of rotten eggs.